refuse is burned in the incinerator, it generates hot gas. You know that, right?
Yeah.
That heat is recycled to generate steam in the boiler, and that steam provides power for the turbine generator to generate electricity. You know, this entire plant operates on this electricity.
So that means you can recycle excess heat as energy, right?
Correct! Yes! Excess heat is recycled to heat thermal pools, tropical gardens in a greenhouse, and numerous other facilities. Okay, attention please! I mentioned the bag filter when talking about the ash flow earlier, right? The filter gas passes through a device called the induced draft fan, and then is cleaned with a device that purifies the gas by eliminating toxic substances, such as hydrogen chloride. Finally, it is discharged through the 150-meter-tall stack. So, do you know what it goes through?
Easy. The reheater and...
Selective catalyst reactor. And its performance?
I don't know.
Ah, gotcha. The gas has been processed through numerous devices and is quite clean at this point. However, it is heated in the reheater up to around 200 degrees and then processed through the selective catalyst reactor to eliminate nitrogen oxides that cause photochemical smog. So you're back!
Are you okay? Yes, perfectly. He's really gentle. Well, I know now that this plant gives a lot of consideration to the environment. And no foul odor is discharged outside while the waste is burned.
And you generate electricity from the heat when burning the trash.
And dioxin and other substances are decomposed in incinerators hotter than 800 degrees around the clock. Ash and gas is also properly processed. Yeah, I get it. This plant cares about us too.
Yes! Environmental issues are thoroughly considered. It is important that we don't pollute or contaminate nature or the environment. But what is more important is that you reduce your waste output and actively participate in recycling measures.